It's me again. It is hot in the garage today already. It is 10:20 and in the garage it's already almost 90, which isn't real hot, but that's with the door open for airflow and 3 fans going, ceiling fan, that one, and the humidity is, I don't know, 400 or 500%, something like that. Today's an experiment. I'm doing Anderson connectors for my winch so that I can put my winch on the front or the back receiver and use it wherever I need it when I'm off-roading. So I have my receiver plate in the front, I have my receiver in the back, and I ran this really heavy-duty 2-gauge wire into the frame. This wire is actually a little more heavy-duty than it needs to be, but it runs through the frame, comes out down there, and then runs up. It's not hooked up to the battery yet, but it's there. This is the hot from the winch. I cut it so I can hook that up to the battery and then the Anderson, and that way I can move the winch front, back, wherever I need it. But I don't have a lug crimper for those super heavy duty Anderson lugs, so I'm going to have to make one. Hammering it works, but the wire squeezes out when you do it, so I have to stop that. So I'm going to zip tie the wire down and zip tie the end down. Hopefully nothing will move them, and then I'm going to beat hell out of it with the 3-pound sledge on the rail with the spike. I rounded off the end to set it, and we'll see if it works. I'm not promising anything. Alright, we are set up and ready to try it. This may or may not work. We're going to find out the hard way. But we will find out, that's for sure. Really probably should have flattened this. Yes, this red tape is here to help keep this thing in line. I know the tape will be cut when I do this. It's alright. Well, let's see if it worked. Hold on, I get my cutters. Yeah, let's find out. Doesn't seem to be pulling out. Yes, I'll have to retape it, but it seems like it works. I have a winch. Now I have a winch in the back.